It's not letting me go elsewhere. Yes, due to its vast array of compact, easily portable, and mostly 2-in-1 laptops, Lenovo is just not letting me turn to any other brand. This Chromebook Duet is the second type of 2-in-1 laptop, i.e., the detachable. This 10.1 inches laptop is, I must say, a tablet basically. Yes, a 10.1 tablet with a kickstand at its back and an attachable/detachable type cover, the keyboard, thus a laptop too. Light as air with just 0.99 pound weight, this tablet shows some unbelievable specs. This 400 nits bright, IPS technology supported, and 10 points multi-touch enabled glossy touchscreen is purely unrivaled in this budget range. Delivering a display resolution of 1920 by 1200 px, even better than FHD, 1080p, at a 16:10 aspect ratio, this tablet is a maven at satisfying your visual craves. Armed with a MediaTek Helio P60T processor working at a speed of 2.0 GHz, this laptop has got a relatively speedier i.e. DDR4 RAM, and an advanced, and snappier eMCP SSD. Long story short, this laptop, with the usual 4 GB memory and 64 GB storage, is way ahead of all its, of the same class, peers. It has a 2MP front and 8MP rear camera, and the battery therein claims to last for up to 10 hours on one charge. And lastly, take a sigh of relief, for once again it's a Chromebook with all those so much convenient pre-adapted Chrome OS features, i.e. easy setup, quick boot ups, and much more.